Now let's continue. Water level rises from the 70 to 80. Okay. Now what will be the volume of the solid then? V equals to V2 minus V1. That is 80. This is 80 minus 70. 80 minus 70. Okay, centimeter cube. So from there we will be find out the density. Density is equal to mass already measured using a beam balance. That what was it? It was M1. Okay, M gram. So mass is M gram and volume is V equals to V2 minus V1 centimeter cube. So that is V. M by V gram centimeter raised to minus 3. So now to find out the density of an irregular solid using Eureka can. Eureka can, you know what is the Eureka can? It is just a can maybe, and it has an opening on the top called a spout. So now, what are the things required? Given irregular solid, thread, water, Eureka can, beam balance, measuring weights and laboratory stand. Why measuring weights and beam balance? One side you have to keep the solid and other sides measuring weights, 50 gram or 1 kilogram. So those blocks you have to keep in the beam balance and the laboratory stand. So what you are using? Keep the measuring cylinder under the spout of the Eureka can. So here you are using measuring cylinder, you are using under the spout of the Eureka can. Pour water in the Eureka can till it starts overflowing. So water, just till it starts overflowing, you have to fill the water to the brim till the spout. Wait till stops dripping. So just stop. Exact to the brim you have to fill it with the water, and then remove the measuring cylinder and dry it. So you have to remove the measuring cylinder from here and remove all the water particles from it, and then put it again under the spout. So you have just completely filled near the spout, and you just kept it here because if any of the water particles are dropping down, you are just taking it, and after finishing the dripping of water, you are taking this measuring cylinder and removing, and then you are drying this measuring cylinder. Completely drain of water, remove water from this, and then immerse the solid gently over the water in the can. So आप इसमें जो solid की डेंसिटी मेजर करना है उसको इमर्स किया. सो व्हाट विल हैपन एज पर आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल? व्हेन अ solid is immersed in liquid, what happens? Equal volume of the liquid is thrown out. So water equal to the volume of the solid will flow out through the spout, and using the measuring cylinder you can measure how much is the volume of the cylinder. So when water stops dripping through the spout, note the volume of the water in the measuring cylinder. In the measuring cylinder you can just directly see, because in the measuring cylinder it is marked, so you can see the volume directly. That will be V centimeter cube. Now measure the mass of the given solid using the common beam balance. Let M be the mass. So now after this you remove this thing and measure the mass. So volume of the solid equals to volume of the water in the measuring cylinder. Volume of the solid is the volume of the water in the measuring cylinder, and mass you have already measured using the beam balance, that is M. So density is M divided by M is the mass measured, V is the volume of the water in the measuring cylinder, V into gram centimeter raised to minus 3.